Our tree recipe for amethyst is beautiful. It centers around the ornaments themselves and the color. And so we have these nice raspberries, these plum colors, all these silvers and pewters. And as we look at the tree, the first thing we're going to see is the detail in the ornaments. This one right here is an iridescent. It looks like it's got a crystal hanging right here in the bottom of this bell, but it has lots of pearls, lots of little beading over the top of that. It's all about the quality. It's all about that upgrade. It's all about having all those finishing touches on our ornaments. You know, we can see immediately through here that all of these ornaments have just a little bit of layer of color. I'm going to point out this one right here, and I'm going to touch the bottom because I love it when it kind of just starts to spin a little bit. That lilac silvery color ornament that is elongated is doing very well for us next to our raspberry ornament. And our raspberry ornament has this frosting on it. You're going to hear that a lot this week here in Atlanta. That is the finish on there. That's not exactly a glitter. It's not exactly a shine, but it's a nice light frosting. That ornament right there, that raspberry one, is selling hot for us here in Atlanta. The next ornament I would like to share with you is this one right here. This is a nice shaped ornament. It's kind of iridescent. It has a sister that has just another kind of a bubble shape with it. You're going to want to look for both of those in your pair. And finally, the third thing that I want to tell you here on this tree is to look for these magnolias and for these ice pieces that are coming out and the little beads in the silver dollar spray. So this is the silver dollar spray, has flat petals. It's beaded on the top side of this. Lots of little bitty beads to make it look like it is iced. The tree recipe here for amethyst is simple, it's complete. You have your stems and you have your ornaments.